Hello everyone, we are Group 10. Today we're going to talk about central tolerance. So in first place, what is central tolerance? Normally, when there is an antigen and an antibody, those two react. However, when it is a self-antibody, this does not happen. This system is called central tolerance.
By removing or modifying self-reactive lymphocytes, the immune system avoids inappropriate immune responses against the body's own tissues. Failure in central tolerance mechanisms contributes to the development of autoimmune diseases.
T cells are born from the bone marrow as immature pre-T cells. Then they enter the thymus gland and become positive for both CD4 and CD8. Of these, only those cells that survive the two stages of selection in the thymus gland become T cells. In the first stage at the thymic cortex, thymic cortical epithelial cells present the body's own MHC molecules. If these cells recognize this MHC, they survive, but if they fail to recognize it, they are led to cell death. This stage is called positive selection. In the second stage at the thymic medullary epithelial cells and thymic dendritic cells present the self-antigens. If these cells recognize these self-antigens, they are led to cell death, but if they fail to recognize it, they survive and become naive Th or Tc cells. This stage is called negative selection, and it is this negative selection that is central tolerance.
In this part, I'm talking about the difference between central and peripheral tolerance. One of the mechanisms of the peripheral tolerance is suppression by Treg. Treg constitutively express CTLA4. CTLA4 combines with CD80-86 and it keeps CD28 away from combining with CD80-86. In this case, CD28 can't activate T cell, and peripheral tolerance is known as fail-safe apparatus for central tolerance, because peripheral tolerance works for the cell which central tolerance can't eliminate. The place where the two types tolerance occur is different. Central tolerance occurs in thymus gland. However, peripheral tolerance occurs in the place between thymus gland and peripheral tissue.